A while ago, I predicted the Humane AI pin would fail as a product. Later, I covered the unseemly attempt to gamergate a product reviewer and how the product formulation was fundamentally defective. I was right about those things, but there's more to it. Google could make a Humane AI pin or equivalent that actually works. There are some indicators this is happening. Here's how. The first thing that the Humane AI pin gets wrong is that it wants to be a standalone device. It wants to be an alternative to using your smartphone. That means it must do everything a smartphone does in terms of mobile network connectivity and processing power by itself. And that, in turn, is why it is expensive, and why you need to swap the battery in the middle of the day, and why it gets hot, and why it needs to take a break to cool down. None of the things the AI pin does are unique. All of its functionality can be replicated by a smartphone. Even the most impressive functions, like telling you what you're looking at, well, that's Google Lens. And Google Lens can do things like translate signs for you, and display a translated version of the sign on the phone's screen. If you haven't yet, try it. It's magical. This means that it's possible to create a product that you could pin to your shirt like the Humane AI pin, but it would be lighter, less expensive, and have longer battery life if it used the smartphone in your pocket for all the computational heavy lifting. The Android operating system in Google's App Suite already has features that would support everything the Humane AI pin does, plus all the things it plans to do. Google has the opportunity to create a peripheral for Android devices that does the same things as the Humane AI pin: faster, better, cheaper, cooler, more comprehensively with fewer bugs and all-day battery endurance. If it were half the price, half the weight, and didn't require a separate mobile network subscription, would you buy one?